Good morning, class 4. I hope you all are doing good. Now, we had started a new chapter, which is chapter number 10, Hututu. Now, you all are familiar with this title. What does it mean? So, Hututu is another name for the game, very famous Indian game, Kabaddi. So, in this chapter, we got to know about many rules and regulations which we follow while playing this game, and we also got to know Karnam Maleshwari, who is a very famous weightlifter. Okay, so we got to know about her in the chapter. So all the information which has been given to you in the yellow box alongside her picture, that is very important from your exam point of view. So you need to memorize that very well. And after that, we got to know about the experience, the story of three famous Kabaddi players. Those are Jwala, Leela and Hira. So these three are very famous Kabaddi players. They told us about their experience and in this game, and they also made us aware with a very important question, that is the role of female players in the game. What kind of experience do they have while playing any sort of game? What kind of problems do they have to face while participating in a game? So the role of a female player in any game has been highlighted by these three players. So that is also very important from your exam point of view. Now today we are going to cover some assignment exercises related to this chapter, which are question number 5 and 6 that you need to do in your assignment folder itself. So head to our explanatory video to understand how we are supposed to attempt those questions. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Take care. Class 4, I hope you all are doing good. Now, today we are going to do some assignment exercises related to our chapter. So, we are going to cover question number 5 and question number 7 associated with our chapter number 10, Hututu. Now, these exercises are given to you on page number 47 and 48. Okay, so let's look at our and understand how are we supposed to answer these ones. Okay, so the first one says indoor games. What do you have to do? You have to give two examples of indoor games. I have written chess and snakes and ladders. So these games are played inside our home or any enclosed area. Okay, so you can write down any other indoor games which you can think of. Now coming to second part, outdoor games. So name any two outdoor games. I have written cricket and basketball. You can write down any other two outdoor games. Coming to third one, it says individual games. Individual means where there is only one person is competing against his or her opponent. Okay, so one person is there, only one person is participating in this game and he is competing against another opponent. So the examples of individual games are boxing and wrestling. So now you can recall, in boxing we have just one player, and he is boxing with his opponent, okay, with another person. Now coming to fourth part, it says team games. Now team games is opposite to our individual games. In the team games we have a complete team, we have more than one player. Okay, in individual we have just one player, but in team we have more than one player. So the example of team games are kabaddi and football. Okay, so you can write down any other examples you can think of for these four parts. Now coming to 6, we have been given some very very famous sports person. We have to write down with which game, with which particular field they are associated with. So the first one is Mary Kom. We have a very famous movie adapted on this person. So we all know that Mary Kom is associated with boxing. After that we have Anjali Bhagwat. Anjali Bhagwat is a very famous and very young Indian rifle shooter. So she is associated with shooting. Anjum Chopra. Anjum Chopra is a very famous cricketer. She has participated in a women cricket team. Okay, so we will write cricket. Sakshi Malik. Sakshi Malik is again a very famous Indian wrestler. She recently bagged bronze medal in wrestling? So our answer is wrestling. Deepa Karmakar. Deepa Karmakar is again a very famous gymnast. So she is associated with the game gymnastics. Now these two questions are supposed to be done in your EVS assignment folder, and as you all know that you have to click the pictures of your homework and send it in the group before 5 p.m. positively. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Take care.